Hi, everybody. Meteorologist AJ Colby here in the Weather Center. Hope you're having a terrific day today, everybody, as another beautiful September day in progress here in Northeast Ohio. We're right on the precipice of increasing cloud cover, though, and a weather change that brings in the potential for some showers and thunderstorms, and perhaps even some rather rambunctious thunderstorms, which will have to be watched. We'll look into that. Of course, the weekend forecast is upon us, and all the details are moments away. Meantime, a live look from the crib cam, and we'll check the boaters forecast tonight. Southeast winds becoming south at 15 to 20 knots. Waves will be 1 to 3 feet. They'll start to be a little bumpy here, and I think even potentially a few water spouts tomorrow, boaters. You got to be aware of that. With the weather system coming through, winds switching around from south to west at 15 to 20 knots. So the winds will be coming in with some gusto. Water temperature is 73 degrees. Here's a look at satellite imagery, and watch as we go from pretty much a cloud-free atmosphere to inflamed cumulus clouds west of here, with an interesting shadow showing up as that one cumulus cloud there in northwest Ohio really burgeons and grows in the atmosphere during the heat of the day today. Temperature zooming up into the 80s. We had an 82-degree high for Wednesday, yesterday's high, and I think today well into the 80s, even approaching 90 in some backyards. The only difference is, and why it probably didn't feel all that hot, is dew point stayed around 50 or so, and that's pretty comfortable in terms of atmospheric humidity levels. You can see thunderstorms are beginning to crescendo out in parts of Indiana, and that's out ahead of a cold front, which is diving over Wisconsin and the UP of Michigan. That front is expected to move in later tonight, and especially during the day tomorrow. You can see our regional radar showing a line of thunder showers. No thunderstorms, really. Sault Ste. Marie down to Milwaukee, but there are some storm clusters. And those clusters south and west of Detroit are some pretty good thunderstorms there. You saw those on satellite as well. It's very easy to see the storms growing during the heat of the day. So how about this front? Well, tonight it looks like it slices from about Saginaw there in the central lower Michigan back towards Chicagoland and south of the Quad Cities. We put it in motion. And overnight, that front not moving too much. But then by tomorrow morning, it's starting to enter northwest Ohio. And there is a marginal risk for some, I would say, some strong, perhaps some isolated severe thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon as the front plows into our rather warm and somewhat humid air mass, behind which tomorrow night we will find the potential for some lake-enhanced showery and perhaps thundery weather as the front moves through. Saturday morning, you can see the front has cleared the entire Buckeye State. Winds have come around to the north, and that web of pressure lines is closer together, which would indicate a faster pressure drop over a smaller area, and that will lead to increased wind speeds. Coming in out of the north, that pressure field relaxes by Saturday afternoon and evening, and that should set the stage for quite a glorious Sunday. Here's Futurecast radar, and you can see how the rain and thunderstorms develop on Friday afternoon. You can see those flaring up during the heat of the day. Right there about 3 o'clock or so in the afternoon, we could find some rambunctious thunderstorm clusters. The line of rain and storms by Saturday morning moves into western Pennsylvania. We start to see dew point or humidity levels come up on into Friday afternoon, especially. That's ahead of the cold front. You can see it marching eastward, and then dry air funneling in quickly and flooding in behind that cold front on Saturday afternoon. So very brief hitter in terms of increasing humidity levels. Our forecast for tonight, increasing clouds, a little bit of a breeze. We'll start to feel humidity levels climbing as well as south winds 10 to 15 start to juice up the atmosphere tonight. Tomorrow, rain and thunder is certainly a possibility. Temperatures in the low 80s, south winds eventually becoming west. Probability of precipitation is up to 80%. Sun up 1 minute before 7 o'clock. We look ahead in the extended outlook now. Saturday, rain and thunder early, then that should yield to sunshine in the afternoon on Saturday. Highs only in the mid 60s, so about a 20-degree temperature drop or so. 47 on Saturday night. Sunday looks grand. Bright sunshine, pleasant day, the high near 70. Just great for outdoor activities Sunday, and the same into Monday as well, despite the fact it'll be warmer, still rather pleasant. Sunny skies, 78, and more sunshine on Tuesday. A toasty day, too, high of 84. Humidity is still pretty comfy levels, I would say, on into Tuesday. Have a wonderful rest of your day, everybody. As always, we appreciate you stopping by from the AJ Colby Weather Center. I'm meteorologist AJ Colby. Have a great night.